See you, what's up guys? It's Sunday. Pero kailangan natin pumasok kasi papainitin natin yung school for just 3 hours. And it's a good weather. Sky is blue. Pero ang road is slippery madalas kasi medyo nag-icy yung snow. Yeah.
JR 北海道をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。
So this is our school, Hokkaido Yodaigaku. Kailangan natin painitin yung school for 3 hours kasi pag hindi, magkakaproblema tayo sa boiler niya, sa heating system. So I have to go to work. Tokiday. Uwi na tayo pero bago tayo may quick chow muna tayo sa McDo. Okay, good. お疲れ様です。今日は終わりなんで、鍵、はい、よろしくお願いします。よし。Time to go home. So, job is done for today, 2 hours. Pinainit ko lang yung school. Look at us now. And now, oh, what is this? I'm hungry. So quick chow muna tayo sa may McDo. Yeah. Hi. It's time to eat.